Students, good morning to all. Today our topic is 6th standard, term 3, unit 3, geography, understanding disaster. Learning objectives: to understand the meaning of disaster, to know about the types of disaster, to know a few key concepts in disaster management and orient them to the words used in media, to understand tsunami and flood, to understand about forecasting, emergency operation center, etc. Disaster is a very common phenomenon in the human society. It has been experienced by people since time immemorial. Though its form many be variety, it has been a challenge for society. The latest development which has been discovered in the world disaster reports recently is that the disaster have increased in frequency and intensity. India is one of the most disaster prone country in the world. It has some of the world most several droughts, famines, cyclones, earthquakes, chemical disaster, rail accident and road accident. The high density of population in the developing countries, especially in the high risk coastal areas, result in millions of population getting affected by natural disaster like floods, cyclone, etc. Look at the various type of disaster: earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunami, etc. What is disaster? Disaster means a disaster is a serious disturbance of the functioning of a society involving human and material loss. Disaster is broadly classified into two types: in natural disaster and man-made disaster. Classification of disaster: natural disaster, earthquake, volcanoes, tsunami, cyclone, floods, landslides, avenger, thunder and lightning. Next one, man-made disaster: fire, destruction of buildings, accident in industries, accident in transport, terrorism, stampede. Here and natural disasters. What is earthquake? This sudden shaking of the earth at a place for a short spell of time is called an earthquake. The duration of the earthquake may be a few seconds to some minutes. The point where an earthquake originates is called its focus. The vertical point at the surface from the focus is called epicenter. Volcanoes. Volcanoes are opening or vent where lava, small rocks and steam erupt onto the earth's surface. Next one, tsunami. Tsunami are waves generated by earthquake, volcanic eruption and underwater landslides. Cyclone. A low pressure area which is encircled by high pressure wind is called a cyclone. Floods. An overflow of a large amount of water beyond its normal limits, especially on the rain-fed area, is called a flood. Landslide. The movement of a mass of rocks, debris, soils, etc. Downslope is called a landslide. Avalanche. A large amount of ice, snow, and a rock falling quickly down the slide of a mountain is called an avalanche. Thunder and lightning. Thunder is a series of sudden electrical discharge resulting from atmospheric condition. This discharge result in sudden flash of light and trembling sound wave which are commonly known as thunder is lightning. Look at the images of man-made disaster. Look at the man-made disaster example. Let's see detail about this. Fire. Massive forest fire may started in hot and dry weather as a result of lightning and human carelessness or from other casual factors. Destruction of buildings. Demolition of buildings by human activities. Accident in industries. Chemical, biological accident that occur due to human error. For example, Bhopal in Maharashtra, gas tragedy. Accident in transport. Violence of road rules. Carelessness case accident. Terrorism. The social understand or difference in principles leads to terrorism. Stampede. The term stampede is a sudden rush of a crowd of people, usually resulting in injuries and death from suffocation and trampling. Tsunami. A killer tsunami hit the Southeast Asian countries on the 26th of December 2004. A massive earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 to 9.3 in the Richter scale epicenter in the Indonesia island of Sumatra. It triggered one of the biggest tsunami in the world. Had every witness the massive waves measuring up to 30 meters that killed more than 2 lakhs people of Asia. In India, over 10,000 people were killed by this disaster. Tamil Nadu alone accounted for 1,705 deaths. All the coastal disasters were affected. Nagapattinam was the worst hit in the state of Tamil Nadu. Fishermen, tourists, morning walker, children play in beach and people live on the coast were upper part for the waves. So they lost their life and they most of their loss and live and damage to property was within 500 meters of the shores. After that, the India government has set up the tsunami early warning system at India National Center of Ocean Information Service. That means INCOIS Hyderabad in 2007. Now let us see tsunami do's or don'ts. You should find out if your home, school, etc. are in vulnerable areas along seashore. Know the height of your street above sea level. Plan evaluation. Rotate the plan evacuation road and practice your evacuation routes. Discuss tsunami with your family. Review safety and preparedness measures with your family. If you see the seawater recording, you must immediately leave the beach and go to high ground for away from the beach. Don't go the coast to watch the tsunami. Don't try to surf the tsunami waves. Next one, floats. Floats or high stream flow, which overlap natural or artificial bank of the river or the stream and are markedly higher than the usual flow as well as an inundation of low land. Now let us see types of floods. Flash floods. Such floods that occur with 6 hours during heavy rainfall. River floods. Such floods are caused by precipitation over large catchment areas or by melting of snow or sometimes both. Coastal floods. Sometimes floods are associated with cyclone, high tides or tsunami. Causes of floods. Torrential rainfall, that is continuous rainfall. Encroachment of a river bank. Excessive rainfall in catchment. Inefficient engineering design in the construction of embankment, dam and canals. Effects of floods. Destruction of drainage system, water pollution, soil erosion, stagnation of water, loss of agricultural land and cattle, loss of life and spread of contagious diseases. Now let us see what should we do to find out if the settlement area is to be affected by flood or not. Keeping radio, torch and additional batteries, storing drink water, dry foods items, salt and sugar, safeguarding materials like kerosene, candle, matchbox, clothes and valuable things. Let us see what you should not do. Try to connect electricity once it is cut. Operative vehicle should not swim against floats. Avoid going to excursion during floods, cut off gas connection and electricity, keep sandbag of drainage holes and bathroom holes, leave immediately through the passage of prescribed passage, drink hot water, use bleaching powder to keep your environment hygienic before using matchstick and candles. Ensure that there is no gas lights. Don't eat more food when you are affected by diarrhea. Don't try to take anything that floats in flats. Now let us see what happened in Chennai in 2015. Chennai is one of the largest metropolitan city in India, which lies on the southeastern coast. The northeast monsoon, along with tropical cyclone, hits Chennai every year and give heavy cyclone rainfall. In 2015, November and December, due to heavy rain, the devastating floods that hit Chennai and other part of Tamil Nadu claimed more than 400 lives and caused enormous economic damage. The government of India in Tamil Nadu have taken a lot of action to reduce loss of life and minimize human suffering. Disaster risk reducing means DRR. Disaster risk reducing, the practice of reducing disaster risk through systematic effect and analyze and manage the casual factors of disaster. There are four key approaches to public awareness for disaster. Risk reduction, camping, participating learning, information education, and formal school based intervention. Now let us see forecasting and early warning. Weather forecasting, tsunami early warning system, cyclone forecasting and warning provide necessary information which help in reducing risk during disaster. School Disaster Management Committee, Village Disaster Management Committee, state and central government institution take measure together during disaster. Newspaper, radio, television and social media during update information and give earliest on the vulnerable area, risk preparatory measures and relief measures including medicine. Now let's see the book back exercise.